Hello folks, I hope you're still with us, perhaps you were stuck in bed watching this, it feels like your guts are being pulled out backwards, because of coronavirus, or, you're like a lot of other people who start being affected by it, What we're going to have a look at today is a rare treat. UFO watch by Pobeda, a Russian company. But we'll take a good look at it down below. Oh, here it is on the old wrist. I've put it on this very nice German stainless steel band. So let's plop it off, and you have a look. It's a tiger's eye. I just realised that I'm looking at this sideways, and I shouldn't be. It's what they call a tiger's eye. Here's the profile. In immaculate condition. It's 18mm bracelet. And the tiger's eye is referring to the striping, as you can see. And if you look, it's got this exquisite little stubby second hand down there, just above the 6. This is, I don't know what sort of style. I call it a frisbee watch or a UFO watch or something and it's unusual as well. It hasn't got the Russian case back that other Russians have, like the ring and case back. This one is just a pressed in place sort of thing. I think this is a very iconic Russian design. It looks huge. It feels huge, and it's keeping good time. It ran a bit fast yesterday for some reason. But I reckon what happened was when I wound it, I pulled the thing out just a little bit. It's not an automatic. I wasn't expecting it to be. I think that is cracking. That is, and I've worn it for the last 2 days, and it's absolutely brilliant. And I've also been cleaning up another one of my Komandirskies. That's the Admiralskie. That's on an expanding bracelet. And roll gold, 9 carat. We're not messing around. Look how clean. That didn't come out of the factory looking that good. I used my gunge, my power tool, my little Dremel, because this was looking a bit cloudy, so I quickly popped the old movement out, gave it a good polish inside and out, then gave it a good polish on the outside, and my God, that is... This is an Admiralskie. This is a Black Sea Admiralskie, apparently. There you go, and it's brilliant. It looks like £1 million on your arm. Right, we'll leave that one there, and we'll carry on with the upview. So there you have it. A Vostok that turned up, that was told to me it wasn't working. Obviously I demagnetized, and it works absolutely brilliant. It keeps absolutely spot on time. And this is like one of my grail watches. I wanted like a big UFO, Pobeda. Pobeda is a very, very good name. This is the next one I'll be working on. I want to get working, and this is my Poljot quartz tank. They're called tanks because it's just so bloody big, and hopefully if I win some auctions on eBay, I'll have the parts to repair that, because that is a Russian quartz 3050. It's called. 3050s are in a square, and 2450s are in the round. So and if you get coronavirus, you're like that. Or more likely like that, shoved right up your tutus, So I woke up the day, the first thing I had to do was I went to the bog, and it was head down the porcelain telephone, and then it's like, it's like, you know, like clench and then sit on the toilet to, like, you know, and it was like, you know, for the eye of a needle, like, you know, oh my god, it was like hot, fiery, molten death, like, coming up the wrong end, like, you know. So I've probably got something, but here's something that shows you what the British are like, right? Is I was lurking near the sandwich section in Asda's today, right? And there's this woman with kids, right? She picks up a sandwich, right? And looks like things like that. And just goes like that. And she goes, "Oh, I don't want that," and just put it back on the shelf. And it's like, oh, so I told her off. I said, "You can't do that." And it's like her attitude to me, "Oh, who are you? You can't do this. You can't tell me." So I got somebody from the staff to come over, and they threw her out. You know, and they threw away the items. Not only just the items on the thing, but the items either side as well, like, you know, they were taking no charges. I mean, bloody hell, like, you know, what is she, like, you know, like living in like a box somewhere, like, you know, oh, this coronavirus doesn't matter to me, sort of thing, like, and it sprays all the germs, not only in front of everybody else, but, like, you know, all over the food for some poor old granny down the road saying, "Oh, I fancy that sandwich, die," like, you know. So, you know, everybody's losing their heads, like, you know, I don't care if I get it, I'll get it. If I don't, I don't. I probably have got it, because, like, I mean, my guts are feeling quite rotten, and my head's feeling a bit yucky as well. But, you know, if I die. At least I've made this video first, you know, and it's like, you know, all I can hope for is, you know, long life and happiness to everybody, especially my cats. You know, alright, Gimli agrees. She just waved a paw to say yes. Right, I'll leave that one there. Hope you enjoy that, and I'll see you in the next one.